I think one of the things about Cornell is that it has a reputation in the industry. They bring in industry experts that have had multiple years of experience in various industries that you can literally ask questions and discuss different strategies. I think the networking that you get out of this training from different industries and different states that have the different complexities that they have, and for me to be able to gain those experiences, it'll help me going into negotiations in the future. Our organization isn't as prepared to do labor relations or negotiations. And these courses that I'm taking today allow us to think differently, right? It's like, hey, what is it that we need to prepare for? How can we go ahead and improve our own labor relations team and educate our leadership teams and also our HR organization as well. I think those types of things that I can take away from this class immediately versus, sometimes you get into a training course and you just put everything onto the shelf. This is something that I can take away today, implement tomorrow, and then be effective for the organization.